Part 3.
Okay, on our order, we should have had 2 sliding windows such as this one. We have no complaints with this window. It fits, it looks good, it's easy to operate. And the locks work on it.
Now that's how it should be.
And that's how it should be. Very simple, very easy.
I should be able to open and close
And we should have
lock
had
and
2
unlock.
of these, and the reason that we wanted 2 of these, we have no doors in this bedroom or in our master bedroom. Our master bedroom is under drywall construction, dust everywhere. We don't even want to go in there and track it in the rest of the house, or I would show you. But these windows, we wanted sliders because if there was an emergency condition, our kitchen caught on fire or whatever. Jesus.
I think you're still locked.
Oh. Okay. We would be able to access out this window easily. These windows here, you can see we're adjusting the locks. They're all chipped and banged up where he took paint off of them. Once again, mounting the screws to the windows, they went clear through the window frame, backed the screws up to look like they were fine. This window raises and lowers. My wife could do this window. But what I wanted to show you, the reason we wanted sliders, it'd be awful hard for either one of us to get out this opening. The only way we could do it would be to drop the window down like this and try to climb across this to get out.
That's why,
That's
we
why we wanted the
wanted
sliders.
one slider in each room. And that master bedroom doesn't have any sliders. One slider did not come.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.